Now that I've explained a little bit about our new Sigma series retrofit LED downlights, I'd like to introduce to you Mike Moriarty, who will be helping do the actual installation and showing us all just how easy this will be.
So we have a light here over my left shoulder. Then I'm going to pull down out from the overhead. Mind the springs. And I find this connector is okay. So I'm going to disconnect the light. So before starting your wiring, you want to make sure that your DC circuit is shut off at the breaker panel. If you don't want, you try to avoid having live DC voltage here at the wires. So I've got the connector removed, and these wires I'm just going to trim back a little bit just to clean them up a little bit so I have a nice fresh wire in the connector. Give the wire strands a little bit of a twist so they stay together when I put them in the connector. And tighten the connector down on the wire. I'm going to repeat the same thing for the negative here. And now I'm going to connect the light, remembering that the blue wire was positive, and that'll connect to the red wire in the lights. And I have this light connected up, so we could just go ahead and replace it in the ceiling. And as Kinder mentioned, because these are designed to fit in existing holes, we're just going to put that light right up in the existing hole. We don't have to make any changes or adjustments or to the hole or change anything, really.